let me put this back, and then let's continue on. Now we'll do an example. So let's see. I'm going to tell you, like, okay, for this, we had a +2, but that made us move to the left. It made us move back 2. It's opposite. Then I had a -6. That made me move where? Down 6, right? So the shortcut is to go opposite of this. This means move which direction? Right, because negative, you would think it would be left, but it's backwards. Move right 2. This means move up 1. So when I graph this, I can just do it really quickly. So instead of starting from 0, 0, instead of starting from there, I'm going to start from, well, move right 2. So I'll move right 2 and up 1. Do you guys see how fast that is now? Do we understand that? Do you think we can graph at least 2 of them from the homework?
Wait, you just do that?
Yeah, you just move it. It's the same shape, it's just moved. If I have that negative, what do you think happens? It opens down. Same exact stuff, except for it opens down. If I had a negative, so the switch is, if I have that negative in front here, then it would just open downwards. Do we understand that? Any questions? The shortcut is that you're doing the opposite of that, and you're doing the same as that. So move right 2, move up 1.
So if that was +2, you would move left 2?
Yep. The question was, if it was a +2 here, you would move left 2, and the answer is yes. There is something just that hopefully we remember, that we memorized. The only thing is here, I have this 9 instead of an even number. That's what makes it different than before. So I know it'll be f of x, and I use this form. This is something that you memorize. Don't forget the squared there. Some people forget that. And then I take this, and I divide by 2. So that would be negative 9 over 2. It doesn't go in evenly. I could just leave it as negative 9 over 2. So that was divide by 2. And then what do I write here? Like, what do I have to do to this? Square it. So square. What's 9 squared? 81. What's 2 squared? 4. That's an easy way to just square the fraction. Yeah. And then I bring this down. So plus 10. Check it out. Check it out. This is. Am I adding or subtracting fractions? Adding. I am, right? Yeah. So what do I need? A common denominator. Somebody. What's the common denominator? 4. This is easy, right? So then I have f of x equaling x minus 9 over 2 squared. I guess 81, what is this, 40? So I guess I'll just show it all. So 8, that would be negative 41 over 4. Look, it's a negative 81.
Oh.
Negative 81 plus 40. So f of x. I wouldn't write all these steps down normally, but I'm showing you, so I am. F of x equals x minus 9 over 2 quantity squared minus 41 over 4. You're done. It's a little bit weird. If we were to graph this, like now we can actually. Does this mean move to the right or to the left? To the right. What's 9 over 2? It's 4.5. So that means move to the right, 4.5, and then move down 10.25.
Oh, I got that. I just did the fraction. I mean, I did decimals.
Decimals. Yeah, that's fine. So, like, that's the whole point of completing the square, because now I can graph this really quickly. Do we understand that? That's all of the notes.